Hi, all. Welcome to our channel. This is without cpanel how to download the website complete files. I have taken one website here, some other friend website, this one, astroramdev.com. In this particular website, how we can download without cpanel. That is, we can using first of all, take this name and we can go to the particular one folder will be here. That folder is selected will be here and write out the your website name of the folder and open it. The option name is called FileZilla. Due to security reason, I'm not give shared my particular host name and email and username password. When log in for your domain name with .com, username and password, click for quick port option. Sometimes it will show port number 2520 like that. They will show will be here. Select the folder. After folder, where we can add the name will be here. So what is the name will be right written will be here. So Astro here, which drive? G drive. You can go back and you can open it. Here, select by the all files, write down, click for download it. So total file will be download your particular folder. No need to we can clear the any option. Just copy automatically will be paste for the your particular your folder option will be here. This is the name nothing but FileZilla. What are the files you have? Complete files will be downloaded by your particular folder option. So this will be not useful by without cpanel. This will be useful by the with cpanel people will created will be FTP account. They're not providing for cpanel login. The easily we can use this option will be FileZilla. Download the entire files in your particular website to your particular system folder option. So this is the compulsory we have to use and we can use this complete option. So this file downloading purpose, how much time will be taken, how many files are there, all files you can download by the in a particular option. Any failed transfer, success transfer, how many files will be pending, everything you can show on the footer and we can file transfer will be into your server to your particular system folder option. So anyhow, without cpanel, we have to use option name is called FileZilla. And one more very important option, when using FileZilla, successful download your complete file, please immediately we can close it. If we keep it long time on the FileZilla, it will be maybe going to hacking your server. Why? Because it's a third-party software. Please carefully use the FileZilla option. If any further question about the download your particular files, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.